So my grow bed is draining. My fish have been fed. Oh, not everybody's got their food, but they're finishing off. I've noticed I've had one problem with my plants. Plant is young and they're starting to go brown. Does anybody have any ideas? I planted new ones, experimenting with kale, cucumber. I think my zucchini did not survive. With my bigger kale, we had some carrots, some chives, kale, broccoli. Tomato plant seems to be doing okay. Did a water change, 50%. And yes, my swirl bucket, which needs to have some maintenance done to it. But my biggest concern is, why are the leaves doing this? It's not fall in here. Yes, I know I don't have the room properly insulated, but I got properly air ventilation, which I just don't know what to do. So my little fishies. Any ideas? That'd be great. Thanks.